Hi. One of the most popular CI/CD orchestrator tools on the market is Jenkins. Jenkins allows us to create freestyle automation jobs, then daisy chain these jobs into pipeline flows. TestComplete has a handy plugin for Jenkins, freely available in the Jenkins marketplace. To create a TestComplete job, click on New and add a freestyle job with a given name. Here's one I've made earlier. We just need to tell it where our tests live, in this case, my GitHub repository, or source control tool of your choice. Any source control tool that is compatible with Jenkins can be used, as long as we can access it from our agent machine. Then we add a build step. Click on Add Build Step and add Test Complete Test. We then specify our project. So whatever project file that we have in our repository, we specify under our suite file. We can then choose what we want to run, whether we run the entire suite based on our execution plan or a specific set of tests based on tags, scripts, or keyword test names. In advanced settings, we can specify the test complete runner or test execute, the version, and what happens under any actions under warnings or errors. We can also add user session credential details. Once our agent is connected to the machine, we can click on build. Once we click build, Jenkins sends the instruction through the plugin through our command line interface to the agent, which pulls up either test complete or test execute, and the execution of the test will begin on the remote machine. Once our test run is completed, the test results can be archived from the test machine using standard Jenkins post-build actions, but are also published directly on Jenkins through the Test Complete Test Results tab. Here we can see the full test detail, including screenshots if we've configured this in our project. We can see the step-by-step detail for each of our tests. We can also export our logs in MHT or Test Complete log format to share with our team. Thanks for watching.